Hi Prathamesh, good evening and welcome to our today's video. And I'm really happy you have joined first today. Hi Ria. So let's begin today's lecture. Today we are going to solve problem set 2 of quadratic equation, and here we are going to start with MCQ. And these MCQ gives you a perfect idea of which type of questions are asked in board paper. Hi Lakshmi, good evening, everyone. So 5 of you have joined. I request you all to do like my video fast. पटकन व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका आणि आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2 आणि MCQ पासून आपण स्टार्ट करू. दॅट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि ह्या MCQचा तुम्हाला 100% बोर्ड पेपरला यूज होणार आहे, कारण ह्याच टाईपचे क्वेश्चन बोर्डमध्ये विचारले जातात. ओके, सो पटकन सगळ्यांनी व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका आणि आपण आता जाऊया आपल्या MCQकडे. एक हाफ एक मिनिट आपण वेट करूया अँड देन वी विल बी गोईंग. पाहूया किती फास्ट स्टुडंट्स जॉईन होतात ते. सो लेट्स सी. I found that you people are there. Hi Piyush. So Piyush, Lakshmi, Riya and Prathamesh, and now it's Shrutika also. So very good all of you, and good afternoon and good evening everyone, those who have joined. Hi Pranjal. So good evening everyone. So I think most of you have joined. So let's move towards the first sum of today. सो चला आता आपण आपल्या MCQकडे जाऊया आणि हे MCQ तुम्हाला बोर्डच्या दृष्टीने खूप महत्त्वाचे आहेत. तोपर्यंत तुम्ही मला व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका आणि माझी व्हॉइस क्लॅरिटी अँड विजन क्लॅरिटी आहे हे पण मला एक्सप्लेन करा. इज माय व्हॉइस इज क्लिअर अँड माय विजन इज क्लिअर? So we are on the first sum, I think. Yes, very good Pranjal and Shrutika and Riya, Prathamesh, that everything is clear. So let's begin our first sum. And that question number 1 from problem set 2 is MCQ. So let's see the first MCQ everyone. See what is given. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? तर आपल्याला चेक करायचं आहे विच इज द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. सो हिअर सी 5 अँड डिनॉमिनेटर एक्स आहे. सो डिनॉमिनेटर काढून टाकायचं असेल तर ह्याला आपल्याला एक्सनी मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. प्रत्येक टर्मला आपण एक्सनी मल्टिप्लाय करूया. सो इथे 5x येईन आणि एक्स कॅन्सल होईन, 5 राहीन. इथे 3 इंटू एक्स दॅट इज 3x आणि x इंटू एक्स स्क्वेअर दॅट इज एक्स क्यूब. तर एक्स क्यूब झाल्यावरती हा क्वाड्रॅटिक राहणार नाही, हा होऊन जाईन क्युबिक इक्वेशन. सो धिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट आन्सर. आता बीला पहा, आपण ओपन द ब्रॅकेट करू. एक्स इंटू एक्स दॅट इज एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स दॅट इज 5x and this 2 will jump here, that is -2 is equal. So this B is a quadratic equation. सी मध्ये आहे ना n⁻1 आहे, तर हे लिनियर इक्वेशन आहे, हे क्वाड्रॅटिक नाही आहे. आणि इथे पहा एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे. जर हा डिनॉमिनेटर एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे त्याला काढून टाकायचं असेल तर आपल्याला एक्स स्क्वेअरने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. आणि जर आपण एक्स स्क्वेअरने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर इथे एक्स क्यूब होईल आणि एक्स क्यूब झालं तर ते पण क्युबिक होईल. सो विच इज द करेक्ट आन्सर? आन्सर इज ऑप्शन बी. All of you getting what is the question? That is we have to find. Yes, I can use English. Okay, so which is the quadratic equation among A, B, C, D? Here the option B is the quadratic equation. First one is a cubic equation, C is a linear equation, and again D is cubic. So which is quadratic equation? That is option B. Please reply me fast everyone, those who have understood, and do like the video. पटकन व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका. Okay everyone. So now we are on second one. Please reply everyone. Very good Shrutika, as you have replied I can understand that you are concentrating. Very good Piyush. So now see second sum. Which of the following is not quadratic equation? Means quadratic equation नाही आहे. हा क्वेश्चन आहे. वाचताना खूप केअरफुल राहायचं. कधी ते क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आहे का विचारतात, कधी नाही. सो समटाईम दे आर आस्किंग वेदर इट इज क्वाड्रॅटिक. व्हेरी गुड रिया अँड प्रांजल. सो आता क्वाड्रॅटिक नाही. तर फर्स्ट ह्याच्यामध्ये एमध्ये पहा, हा एक्स स्क्वेअर आणि हा एक्स स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल आणि इक्वेशन काय झालं, 4x इज इक्वल्स टू 11, दॅट इज लिनियर. सो दिस वन इज नॉट क्वाड्रॅटिक. हा इथे एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे तर हे क्वाड्रॅटिक आहे. इथे पण 5x स्क्वेअर आहे, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो क्वाड्रॅटिक. आणि इथे आहे ना, हा नेगेटिव्ह एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे. हा एक नेगेटिव्ह एक्स स्क्वेअर इकडे गेला की पॉझिटिव्ह होईल. सो 2x इज इक्वल्स टू हा नेगेटिव्ह इकडे गेला की एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5 म्हणजे 2x स्क्वेअर होईल. सो 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 2x स्क्वेअर, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5. सो डी सुद्धा क्वाड्रॅटिक आहे, बी सुद्धा क्वाड्रॅटिक आहे आणि सी सुद्धा क्वाड्रॅटिक आहे. पण एमध्ये एक्स स्क्वेअर दोन्ही बाजूला आहेत, ते कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल आणि हे लिनियर होतं. सो विच इज द करेक्ट आन्सर? दॅट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन ए. Option A equation is a linear equation which is not quadratic equation. Very good Shrutika and Pranjal, both of you have given correct answer. आणि पटकन ज्यांनी जॉईन केलेलं आहे आत्ता त्यांनी व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका. Shall I move to the next one now? Please reply fast so that we can move to the next one. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना कळलंय, फर्स्टमध्ये आपल्याला क्वाड्रॅटिक काढायचं होतं, सेकंडमध्ये कोणतं क्वाड्रॅटिक नाही ते विचारलेलं आहे. ओके प्रांजल. Shall I move to the next sum now? Please reply fast. All of you please reply me fast. चला पटकन सांगा. Okay, I got answer from Pranjal, yes, and Shrutika also has given me just now answer. So let's move to the third one. तर आता आपण थर्ड MCQ कडे चाललेलो आहोत. So see the third MCQ. Which of the following is the value of k if roots of x square plus kx plus k are real and equal? पहा, रूट्स रिअल अँड इक्वल असतील तर अरुण ओके, प्रथमेश ओके. सो इक्वेशनमध्ये जर का रूट्स आर रिअल अँड इक्वल, इफ रूट्स आर real and equal, then delta is equals to 0. Do you remember? When the roots are real and equal, delta discriminant is equals to 0. Previously I have told you. Now what is the equation? That is x square plus kx plus k is equals to 0. This is the equation, x square plus kx plus k is equals to 0. This equation we have to compare with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So when we compare, what is a? A is 1. What is b? B is k. And what is c? C is also k. Okay. So here what is the condition? That delta, that is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 because roots are real and equal. Very good Prathamesh. Now b square means what? K square minus 4. What is a? That is 1 and c is k is 0. So k square 4 into k, 4k is 0. Now from this k let us take common, so k minus 4 is 0. Therefore k is 0 or k minus 4 is 0. Means what is the answer? K is 0 or k is 4. So we got two answers of k. K is equals to 0 or k is equals to 4. So if what is this here? A is 0, b is 4, c is 0 or 4 and d is 2. So which is the correct answer? That is C. So let us write here answer option C. So everybody understood the most important. Okay, doesn't matter Mansi, I'm happy that you have joined. And Lakshmi, your answer is correct. And Pranjal, yes Shrutika. So here what is the important thing that we have to keep in mind? That roots are real and equal, then delta discriminant is equals to 0. So let's move to the fourth question, or you can say the fourth MCQ. Which of the following equation has root 3 and 5? So we have given roots. Solution C. What are the roots? Alpha is given, that is 3. and beta is given, that is 5, and from that we have to find equation. So whenever we are going to find equation, we have to use this equation. Do you remember? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. So this equation we are going to use to find out the quadratic equation. Clear everyone? And to use this equation, first of all, let us find out alpha plus beta. Okay, so what is the formula for alpha plus beta? That is 3 plus 5, 8. So what is alpha plus beta? That is 8. And alpha beta multiplication, 3 into 5, 5 threes are 15. Now in this equation, let us put the values of alpha beta. Okay everyone, so let's put the values of alpha beta. So x square as it is minus, what is alpha plus beta? It is 8. X plus alpha beta is 15 is equals to 0. So from these roots 3 and 5, which quadratic equation we got? That is x square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now where is that x square minus 15? No. X square minus 8x plus 15 is 0. So which is the correct option? You can see that is the B. So answer is option B. Did everybody of you understood? See what formula I have used, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is 0. And we have yes Prathamesh, yes Piyush and Mansi and Shrutika. So your answer is correct. So first I have taken alpha beta addition and then alpha beta multiplication and then put value in the standard form and I got option B. I think yes Pranjal also understood and Ria also. So most of you are giving answers. It's very good sign. But shall I move to the next sum now? Good Mansi. Shall I move to the next sum? Please reply me fast. Okay Pranjal. So let's move to the next sum. आणि ज्यांनी अजून आत्ता जॉईन झालेला आहे त्यांनी व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका. सो आता आपण आलेलो आहोत आपल्या फिफ्थ सम कडे. तर स्क्रीनवरती तुम्हाला फिफ्थ सम दिसतंय. Very good Harry, you are still in 9th standard in your understanding. It's a very good sign. So which of the following is the value of discriminant for under root 2x square minus 5x plus under root 2 is equals to 0? So here we have to find discriminant and discriminant means delta. So what is the question? Given quadratic equation, that is under root x square 2x square minus 5x plus under root 2 is equals to 0. And this we have to compare it with standard form. And what is the standard form of quadratic equation? X square minus plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So let us compare it and find out a, b, c here. So what is a, c here? A is under root 2. What is b? B is minus 5. And what is c? C is under root 2. Now let's find out delta discriminant. And what is the formula for delta? You remember that? That is b square minus 4ac. So what is b? It is minus 5 bracket square minus 4. What is a? That is under root 2. And what is c? That is also under root 2. Now see, minus 5 square. What is that? 25. Minus under root 2 into under root 2, that is 2. And 2 fours are 8. So now let us subtract it. 25 minus 8 and that is 17. So there are 4 options. A is negative 5, B is 17, C is under root 2 and D is 2 under root 2 minus 5. Then you know which is the correct answer. Harry and Pranjal as well as all of you has given me correct answer 17. So which is the correct option? You can write here option B. So here we got the answer option B. Yes Shrutika. So let's and Pranjal. So let's move to the sixth one. Which of the following quadratic equation has sum of root that is negative 5? So we have to find sum of root. Means what? Alpha plus beta. What is the answer of alpha plus beta? That is negative 5. So what is the formula for alpha plus beta? See, yes, yes, Mansi. So what is the formula for alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Okay, so this formula we are going to use on 4 of these quadratic equations, and let us find out answer of alpha plus beta negative 5 when we are getting. So for first a, what is alpha plus beta? हे पहा, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ए कडे पाहायचं आहे आणि फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे अल्फा प्लस बीटा, दॅट इज सम. तर अल्फा प्लस बीटा काय आहे? मायनस बी अपॉन ए. सो मायनस बी मीन्स मायनस 15, बी इज मायनस 15 upon a is 3. So minus minus it is plus 15 upon 3. So 3 5s are. The answer is 5. But what answer we want? Alpha plus beta negative 5. So first option is wrong. Let us check out second one. Okay, C is the correct answer. Okay, let me check. Now B. Let us check out B for alpha plus beta. So what is B? That is negative 5. So minus minus 5 upon 1. C, A is 1. So minus minus plus 5. So B is also wrong. Now let us check out C1. So what is C? Alpha plus beta. That is minus b. So it is minus, 1 minute, let me check the options here. Okay everyone, so let us check it out what answer we want. The answer we want is minus 5, na? So alpha plus beta, let us do it. That is minus b upon a. So it will be minus 3. So this is also not possible. Now let us check it out, the last D1. So D, what is there? X square plus 8x minus 15 is equals to 0. So D is alpha plus beta sum of root, that is minus 8 upon 1. And what is the answer? That is minus 8. 1 minute, let me check it whether I have written it correctly. Yes, I have written it correctly. So I think here it is 5. In D this is 5. So keep here negative 5. So answer will be negative 5. So what is this equation? That is x square plus 5x minus 15 is equals to 0. So what is B here? That is 5 and it will be negative 5. So what is the correct option? The correct option is D. Okay everyone. Here I have made little mistake. Here it was minus plus 5. So I wrote here 8. So what is the answer? That is option D. Okay everyone. So shall I move to the next one now? Yes, Prathamesh and Pranjal. Yes, that was a printing mistake. I did it correctly. Okay. So let's move to the next one now. Okay, Piyush, Mansi and Ria also. So let's move to the 7th one now. Okay. So here we are on the 7th one. See what is the question? That is under root 5m square minus under root 5m plus under root 5 is 0. Which of the following statement is true for the given equation? A. The roots are real and unequal. B. The roots are real and equal. C. The roots are not real. And D. 3 roots. So 3 roots is impossible. Yeah. Yes, I'm from Maharashtra. Yes. So look here. If we want to find out the nature of root, then what we have to do? We have to find discriminant delta. So let us take that equation under root 5m square minus under root 5m plus under root 5 is equals to 0. And this we have to compare with standard form am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. So let's compare it. So what is a here? A, and it is under root 5. Okay. What is b? B is negative under root 5. Okay. And c is also under root 5. So I got a, b, c. Now let us find out the discriminant. Okay, you are from Telangana. Okay. So let's put the values now. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b square means negative under root 5 bracket square minus 4. A is under root 5 and what is c? That is also under root 5. Okay everyone. So let's calculate it. So negative under root 5 square is 5 and minus under root 5 into under root 5 5 fours are 20. So 5 minus 20, that is negative 15. Negative 15 means less than 0. If it is less than 0, then roots are not real. You are absolutely correct. It is the C option. So what is the answer? That is the roots are not real. And which is the correct option? That is option C. So let's write here answer. That is option C. Do you remember that when delta is 0, it is class 10th. Okay, it is class 10th. The roots are real and unequal means delta greater than 0. Real and equal, the roots are delta is equals to 0. And not real, delta is less than 0. Whenever delta is less than 0, roots are not real. Everybody got? Did everybody got the answer? And yes, I can see everybody has written C here. Pranjal, Shrutika, Mansi. So let's move to the 8th MCQ. One of the root of given quadratic equation is 2 and we have to find m. So in place of m, let us put the value 2. When m is equals to 2. And what is the quadratic equation? That is x square plus mx minus 5 is equals to 0. So here we have to put it the value that m is equals to, here it is, sorry, x is equals to, x is a variable. So x is equals to 2 we have to put and we have to find the value of m. So in place of x, what I am going to put, that is 2 square plus m into 2 minus 5 is equals to 0. So 2 square is 4 plus 2m minus 5 is 0. So 4 minus 5, that is negative 1 is equals to 0. So 2m is equals to this negative. When it will jump to right, it will be positive 1. M is equals to this 2 will come in denominator and m is equals to 1 upon 2. So which is again correct answer, that is option C. Yes, if you like my channel, please do subscribe, Harry. Do subscribe. So let us write answer, that is option C. Okay. So once again we got answer which is option C on the page. And shall I move to the next one? Yes, Shrutika. Yes, Mansi. So can we move to the next sum? Please reply it. Yes, it's simple. Yes, definitely it's simple. Yes, Piyush. So let's move to the question number 2 now. So our question number 1 of this problem set is over and we are on the second question, that is which of the following are quadratic equation. So let us find out whether the equation is quadratic equation or not. And here there are 3 equations and these 3 equations, let us find out whether they are quadratic or not. So let's find out first one. So which is the first one? First one is x square plus 2x plus 11 is 0. Here only one variable x is there. Yes, here only one variable x is there and its maximum index is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Here only one variable x with maximum index 2, and A, B, C are real numbers. A is not equals to 0. A is 1, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So first one is quadratic equation. Yes, yes, third one is also quadratic. You are absolutely correct. Now second one, let us check out. So first we got quadratic. Now let us check out the second one. So second one, see, x square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Here also you can see everything having one only variable x. Same thing you have to repeat here, and it is also a quadratic equation. Can you see everything matches like first one? So it is also a quadratic equation. 1 minute, huh? Here it is now, x square is there. So x square, like this it is x square, okay. So what is the question? X square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to x square. So what is the question? Okay, Rohit Sharma, okay. I don't believe. X square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to x square. Okay, everyone. See here, this x square and this x square can be cancelled out, and if this both x square will be cancelled out, now this is minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So what is the maximum index of x? That is 1. So it is not a quadratic equation. So here x is a variable with maximum index 1, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. So everybody understood? Please reply fast. इथे काय झालं? x square काय झाले? Cancel झाले, and what is left? That is minus 2x plus 5. And so what you can say, that minus 2x raised to 1 is there. So here the variable x maximum index is 1, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. So I think all of you understood. I got answers from 3 of you, Pranjal, Shrutika and Mansi. So let's see the third one. So here what is the third one? See here, third one, that is x plus 2 bracket square is equals to 2x square. Let's open the bracket first of all. So what is that? We are going to use that famous formula to open the bracket. And what is that famous formula? Do you remember that? That is a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so which formula we are going to open this bracket? X plus 2 bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, everyone. So in place of a, it is x. So a square means what? X square plus 2ab. 2a is x, b is 2, plus 2 square is equals to 2x square. Okay. Now this x square let us write as it is, plus 2 2s are 4x plus 4, and let us take this 2x square left hand side. So negative 2x square is equals to 0. So x square minus 2x square, that is negative x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now tell me, this is a quadratic equation or not? Please tell me. Everybody please tell me, is it a quadratic equation or not? X square, see here only one variable x is there, and maximum index number is also 2, and ABC, which are real number, is not 0, so it is also a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. What you are going to write? Yes, Shrutika, it is a quadratic equation. Pranjal, it is also a quadratic equation. So write down answer here. It is a quadratic equation. Okay everyone, did everybody understood second question? सेकंड क्वेश्चनमध्ये आपल्याला क्वेश्चन होता की क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आहे का नाही, आणि क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनसाठी व्हेरी गुड पियुष, काय आपल्याला पाहायचं होतं की एकच व्हेरिएबल असला पाहिजे आणि व्हेरिएबलचा मॅक्झिमम इंडेक्स काय असला पाहिजे 2, अँड ए बी सी शुड बी अ रिअल नंबर, ए इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. Okay, so shall I move to the next one now? Please reply me fast so that we can move to the next question. Shall we? Please reply fast everyone. Okay Prathamesh, okay Pranchal. So let's move to the next one now. So here see question number 3. So we are on the question number 3 of problem set 2. Okay everyone, very good Lakshmi and Shrutika and Mansi. So here what is the question? Find the value of discriminant. So they are asking discriminant delta for each of the following equation. So this is 2y square minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Let us compare it with the standard form. Ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is our standard form. Okay, so let us compare it with the standard form. Hi, so let's compare it. A, what is a? Here it is ay square, it is 2y square, so a is 2. It is by and it is negative y. Negative y means here no coefficient, then it is 1. So b is negative 1. And what is c? That is 2. Now let us use the formula of discriminant delta, that is b square minus 4ac. So everybody, this is the formula that we are going to use to find out the discriminant delta. Okay, yes, absolutely correct Shrutika. So b square means negative 1 square minus 4. What is a? It is 2. What is c? That is also 2. So negative 1 square is 1 minus, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 1 minus 16, that is negative 15, and we got the answer of discriminant, that is negative 15. Yes, absolutely correct Pranchal. Others also please reply me fast whether you are writing. Please reply fast. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Good Pranchal. Others please reply fast so that we can move forward. Good Shrutika. I think we should move to the next question now. So see next question everyone. Here it is 5m square minus m and constant is not there. So what we will write? 5m square minus m plus 0 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. When constant is not there, we are writing 0. Okay, so 0. Now compare it with the standard form. What is the standard form? Do you remember that standard form? That is am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. So this is our standard form. Okay everyone, so let us compare it with the standard form. So what is a here? A is 5. What is b? Negative m, so 1. b is 1 and c is 0. So let us find out discriminant delta. Yes, 5 minus 1, absolutely correct you are Shrutika. 5 minus 1 and 0. So let us find out delta, that is b square minus 4ac. This is the formula that we are going to use. So what is b square? Negative 1 square minus 4a is 5 and c is 0. So minus 1 square is 1 and 5 4s are 20, 20 zeros are 0. So what is the answer? That is 1. Did everybody of you got the same answer 1? Please reply me. Boys and girls, yes Mansi, yes Shrutika and Pranjal. So you are giving very good answer. Yes Piyush. Yeah, I can't because I have my own classes. I conduct classes here. I have my own classes. So shall I move to the next one now? And these are my class students only. And you are absolutely correct that I should go for it. But as I have a classes, I continue with my classes. Okay. So now see everyone. So here we are on the third one. Here also we have to find the discriminant, that is under root 5 x square minus x minus 5 under root 5 is equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation. This equation we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay everyone, this is our standard form. Okay, so let's compare it with our standard form. Okay, thank you. So a is ax square, that is under root 5 x square. So let us write it under root 5. Bx, it is negative 1. So b will be negative 1. And c, it is negative under root 5. So here we got ABC. Now let us find out discriminant delta b square minus 4ac. This is the formula which we are going to use for finding out the discriminant delta. So what is b square? That is negative 1 square minus 4. A is under root 5 and c is negative under root 5. So what is negative 1 square? Negative 1 square is 1. Negative negative, it is positive. Under root 5 into under root 5, it is 5. 5 fours are, that is 20. So 20 plus 1, that is 21. And here we got the answer, that is 21. So did everybody of you understood? Yes Shrutika, absolutely. And Pranjal. So shall I move to the next one? No, I don't know Telugu. I'm sorry for it. I know Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi and English. See now question number 4 now. If one root of quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equals to 0 is minus 2, find the value of k. So it is one root is given, that is negative 2. Means when x is equals to negative 2 we will put in this quadratic equation, we can find out a value of k. Okay everyone, so what is the quadratic equation? That is 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equals to 0. In this quadratic equation, everybody keep in mind we are going to find k, and for that we have to put value of x, that is negative 2. So what we are going to put in place of x, that is negative 2 in this quadratic equation. Okay everyone, so in place of x let us put it negative 2. So 2 into negative 2 square plus k, and x is negative 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now see, square of negative 2 is positive 4 and 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 into k, that is minus 2k, minus 2 is equals to 0. 8 minus 2. Can you reply? What is the answer it will be? Yes, absolutely you must be knowing. So let me know 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, it is 6. 6 minus 2k is equals to 0. Let us take this 2k to right hand side. So 6 is equals to 2k and k is equals to 6 upon 2. So k is equals to 3. So did everybody understood? Please tell me. Did everybody understood? Yes Shrutika, absolutely correct. सगळ्यांना हा टॉपिक कळलेला आहे. इथे आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनमध्ये एक्सची व्हॅल्यू काय पुट केली, नेगेटिव्ह 2, अँड त्याचा यूज करून आपण के फाइंड केला आहे अँड के इज 3. ओके प्रथमेश. Thank you everyone. uh, so this is the end of the class. Tomorrow we will meet everyone. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Did you understood everyone? Please reply. Did everybody of you understood whatever I taught today? सगळ्यांना कळलेला आहे का? Bye. Bye Piyush. Yes, Pranjal. Good. Yes, I'm ending class. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we will meet. Bye everyone. Bye. Bye Mansi. Bye Lakshmi. Ah, yes. Okay, bye. Bye.